here we have my neighbor, Mr. Doug, with his drone. And he is trying to scare away these birds that are pooping on everybody's house and cars. And what brought my attention to this project was, here it comes, wait for it. I was in my house and all of a sudden I heard this sound. Here it comes. That right there. So he's got his bass guitar on a loop. And I heard the dong. I heard this note and I thought, oh my gosh, this is the start of it. There it is. So we're trying to scare these birds out of the trees. And there's his lovely wife, Laura, also known as Hammy's mom. Yes.
My favorite role.
Oh my gosh, this is so hilarious. And then our neighbor down the street out earlier was out there banging her pots and pans, trying to get these birds to move on.
Holy cow, see them all right there on that tree? They're coming in.